Hello. This tutorial will teach you how to move around the platform. When you subscribe to ID Expert Connect, you can access it in My Course area. Just choose ID Expert Connect from the courses available. After you get to the ID Expert Connect space, just click on the AI assistant for instant help.
Hi, my name is Jason, from the ID Expert Connect. Feel free to ask me questions about instructional design. I am here to answer all your questions. What is your name?
You can either type or use the microphone to communicate with the AI assistant.
Hello, Sam. How can I assist you?
For example, we will ask Jason, the AI assistant, how to effectively write learning objectives using Bloom's taxonomy.
To write effective learning objectives using Bloom's taxonomy, you need to consider three major types of learning outcomes: cognitive, intellectual, affective, attitudinal, and psychomotor, physical. First, identify what you want the learner to know or be able to do. Then, determine the level of learning you want to achieve, whether it's basic knowledge or higher level thinking. Finally, use Bloom's taxonomy to guide you in writing specific and measurable objectives for each type of learning outcome.
If you don't like the AI's answer, you can ask a question here. Our human experts will reply within an hour. If you don't get a response, contact the help desk through the menu tab. Please be patient with us. Click on the green plus icon to add your request. Write the subject and details of your request. You can attach files like images, videos, and documents. Finally, click on Send Message. Great. You're all set. A human expert will respond to your request within an hour.